Okay, so question number 2. So it's asking, figure 2.35 shows the position of x on an object as a function of time t. For each of the regions marked on the graph, determine A, whether the velocity is positive, negative, or 0, and B, whether the acceleration is positive, negative, or 0. So let's go ahead and evaluate the question and look at the graph. Okay, so in this question we can see that we have a graph, and the graph is showing position versus time. So let's begin by identifying the regions. So region 1 has a negative position and a positive velocity. This is because of the positive slope. This is because of the positive slope that we see in region 1, 2, and part of 3. So now we see in between region 3 and 4 that the slope levels out and becomes 0. So this means that the velocity is 0. We then observe a negative slope, meaning that the velocity is negative. This is for regions 4. So remember, velocity is the measure of slope, delta x, divided by delta d9. Now we can get the acceleration. So we go ahead and let's look at region 1 again. Region 1 was positive slope, meaning that it had a positive velocity, which means it had a positive acceleration. Now let's go ahead and look at region 5. Region 5, the velocity is negative and the acceleration is positive. Having said this, the correct answer is D, because it describes a scenario exactly like that. It says in region 1, the velocity is positive and the acceleration is positive. We said that. And then it says, meanwhile, in region 5, the velocity is negative and the acceleration is positive. We said that. So our answer choice would be D.